Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kyle Anthony Snell going live on social media. I got some good news and some bad news. Actually, it was bad news of tough news. I got the return on this Apex keyboard stand because the other Apex keyboard stand I had, that last rehearsal when I was packing up last Sunday, one of the three legs got jammed and I had to send it back to Sandmash this past Monday so I get a return, and I sent a receipt so it could be expected to ship it to here yesterday, but it never shipped until today, early this afternoon. But today I finally got this Apex keyboard stand for home. Right now I'm using it for home use, just in case I set my third tier and third tri-bars that I still have in my storage for my laptop, so that way I don't have to jump back and forth from my laptop to my keyboards. I can do like one movement with three things. As a matter of fact, the only problem I had, it took me 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes to get this whole thing set up. Look at this. This left side of broken tri-bar. The left shelf for the tri-bar, call it the left shelf, or the left side tri-bar holder. It was defective. I didn't even notice. Man, I was very angry about that thing. It took me a while. It took me 25 minutes to use whatever tools I needed to get those tri-bars out. But anyways, I got both sets of the tri-bars for both keyboards, so that way I can get this thing over with. You know, I'm using my 2-tier X Proline keyboard stand for traveling. I'm going back to that X keyboard stand, the Proline, from now on, because 2-tier X stands are better than the Apex keyboard stands based on so many researches I've done. But what I did was I took the handle, the big handle right here, off of that manual vacuum low volume noise. I went inside that bottom leg and pushed those tri-bars up to the top as far as I could go. Finally, might want to excuse some of the mess that had been through. Then I used that hanger from my tire jack and to pull the other end of the tri-bars out so I can get it out. Then I used the old tire jack, that latch right here from my old tire jack from both my Toyota, well, both of the tire jacks from my only Toyota Camry, to get the rest of those tri-bars out on the left side that got jammed. And I could not believe Sandmash would ever send me anything defective, especially when I'm expecting a return to replace my other Apex AX48 keyboard stand, so I can use this at home from now on. But anyways, if you excuse me, now I had to put some of the tools back where I got them from and put that Proline keyboard stand in the car for traveling purposes, including this rack, secure rack for the top tier stand for my auxiliary board. Yeah, I tried one of my old hangers, but right here, one of the old hangers, and it let me down because it was too weak for me. I tried the trunk closer, when you're having difficulty closing the trunk down from all the junk you putting down in the trunk for loading and unloading stuff. Like, for example, you loading your luggage from place to another place. As soon as I find the other side of the boat for other side of this tier secure bar, then I'm set to go and put the rest of those tools back in the car where I got them from, and put this vacuum handle back on that vacuum sweeper. You see that blue vacuum sweeper I got over there? I found that whole handle to put together so I can get those same travelers out that got stuck. Now I got both of them out before I even decide to ship them back one more time. Peace out. God bless you. Stay safe. And I love y'all. Peace out, because I got some cleaning to do. I got some cleaning to do before I enjoy the rest of my day. Be blessed. Love y'all. Bye-bye.